Here are the steps needed to establish communication with a drive. 1. Go to Communication menu. 2. Select Setup. 3. Check the channel type. RS-232 must be selected when using an USB RS-232 adapter. The CAN protocol is not important when using RS-232 communication. 4. Select the port to be used. In the drop-down menu, a list of the available ports will appear. Check the baud rate. Normally there's no need to change it from 115.2 kilobits per second. 5. In the Access ID field, choose Auto Detected. 6. Make sure Work Offline is not active and then click OK. Once the communication is established, you will see in the lower status bar the indication, Online, and the access ID of the drive connected to PC via RS-232. If this drive is part of a CAN network, the other drives are available to EasyMotion Studio as well. You will also see the serial number and the firmware version of the drive.